Hi everyone. Today I wanna share with you what our printer can print, but what products cannot print. Look, I bring this penthouse. It's like this one for women. This product is for summer. And look here, it's very transparent. Look. So you can see many small house. For such products, we cannot print because you see, this is a roller. We are not able to make it even. Look, after this one, after I put the product into the tube, you can see for the printers, it have to make it very smooth. Cannot touch the printers. Cannot touch the printer head. But you can see this one, it's not possible. Look here, like this one. Even I make it tight. Look like this here, this part. When the head carriage move to here, it will touch the head surface. So it will damage the head. Not good. This one we cannot print it. Also for these socks, look here, it's too thin, so the ink goes inside. It will pollute this paper. When you take it out, the paper will move. Then the ink will pollute, make the socks, it's like a mess. So it's not good. It's not good. But for these products, yes, because you see, it's not so thin. You cannot say obvious holes. Say for these products, these materials, no problem. I can show you, compare it. Look here. This one's like this. Look here. You can see me clearly, right? Look at the light. Yeah. It's very clear. But this one, look. So can print this one? Cannot. No. This one, no. Okay. This is what we print here. This one is sleeve. It's nylon. This is our printed products. Very nice. So remember, cannot be too thin and many holes. No, but this material and this thickness. Okay, I think this material also can use some kids trousers and pantyhose. Okay, this is today's information. Thank you all. See you next time. Bye bye.